Did you know that the right type of anchor can mean the difference between a secure hold and a costly failure? When it comes to structural anchoring, open-eye and closed-eye custom anchors serve distinct purposes. Choosing the right one is critical for safety and efficiency. Open-eye anchors feature a partially open loop, allowing for quick attachment and detachment of cables, ropes, or hardware. They are commonly used in temporary rigging, adjustable applications, and dynamic load situations where flexibility is key. Closed-eye anchors, on the other hand, have a completely sealed loop, ensuring maximum stability and load-bearing capacity. These are ideal for permanent installations, fixed tie-down points, and critical structural applications where security is non-negotiable. Both designs are crafted with precision engineering and durable materials to meet the toughest industry standards. But selecting the right one depends on your project's needs, load requirements, and safety considerations. For more information and assistance, contact us today at 646-880-6778, or you can visit our website at www.lrkdindustries.com.